Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beer factory. First, you'll need to navigate the legal landscape, securing all required permits and licenses for alcohol production. Next, find a location that meets your operational needs, considering space for equipment, storage, and distribution. Finally, craft a detailed business plan outlining your vision, market analysis, and financial strategy to ensure a solid foundation for your brewery. Once your foundation is set, focus on the heart of your operation, equipment and ingredients. You'll need brewing vessels, fermentation tanks, and packaging lines to handle production. Sourcing premium malt, hops, yeast, and water is crucial for consistent, quality beer. Remember, meticulous cleaning and sanitation of all equipment are paramount to prevent contamination and ensure product integrity. Now, let's dive into the brewing process itself. It starts with milling your grains, followed by mashing to convert starches into fermentable sugars. After lautering, the wort is boiled with hops for flavor and preservation. Then, it's cooled and transferred to fermentation tanks where yeast works its magic. Finally, the beer is conditioned, filtered, and packaged for distribution. Maintaining high standards is key to a successful beer factory. Implement rigorous quality control at every stage, from raw ingredients to the final product, ensuring consistency and excellence. As you grow, explore diverse distribution channels and develop effective marketing strategies to reach your target audience. For more insights on financial success, check the description for a link to a recommended book and other valuable deals. Cheers to your brewing journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.